Hi everybody, it's Miss Nikki here. Are you keeping your hands clean? Remember, after we eat, after we play with our toys, with our dogs, after we've been outside, it's a good idea to wash our hands. I'm going to wash my hands. Why don't you join me? I've got my soap. Pop it on our hands. Can you count to 5? Let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did it. And now what do? Turn on the water and rinse. Great job, everybody. Don't forget, after that, it's time to dry our hands and then get on with our day. Great job, everyone. Now stay safe. Let's stay clean. And I'll see you all really soon. Bye, friends.